Oh, Cesar coming out into a perfect beginning. Alexandrina running by Drell, Kenter Special, Husteria, Queen Star, Miss Elliot, Trinity Moon, Sant Anthony, and Super Leguera is the early trailer into the turn de galopa. Kenter Special is running by Drell, and on the outside Alexandrina. Husteria is racing in third. Queen Star is down in fourth. Miss Elliot in Pipa. Sant Anthony, Trinity Moon, and Super Leguera trails the field by about 11 to 12 lengths off the pace. Meanwhile, three runners fighting out for the lead. Alexandrina takes the lead, and on the outside, Husteria, Kenter Special. Miss Elliot now coming closer on the outside, down on the inside, Queen Star, Sant Anthony, Trinity Moon, and Super Leguera. Miss Elliot takes the lead. Alexandrina drives back in second, racing in third, Queen Star, then moving up on the outside, Sant Anthony, Trinity Moon, as they come down at the last 150. Alexandrina, and on the outside is Miss Elliot. Queen Star moving up, Trinity Moon, Sant Anthony, Miss Elliot, Alexandrina fighting it out for the leader. But it's Alexandrina, Miss Elliot, Trinity Moon moving up on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Alexandrina, second close. Trinity Moon, Sant Anthony, Miss Elliot.
Ganda nung finish nung tatlo sa seconds.
Tsaka kung titignan mo yung tinakbo ng 4,